How to enable or disable PHP extensions using the CloudLinux Selector in Plesk. You can use CloudLinux Selector to enable or disable available PHP extensions in Plesk. This tutorial assumes that you have already logged in. In the Websites and Domains interface, click this left arrow icon. Select the PHP Selector option. There is a whole list of PHP extensions. Extensions that are already enabled are tick marks, and extensions that are not tick marks are disabled. For instance, let's enable the PDF extension and disable the mail parse extension. Now you know how to enable or disable PHP extensions.